Zhunk. Oh yeah. Swedge knife? Come on now. This has to be the weirdest thing I've ever seen in the knife aisle at Home Depot. Comes with its own sheath. Crip. Man, that thing is a friggin' hunk. What the heck? That's a hunk of friggin' steel. Look at it. It's got a rasp on the back. It's got a chisel edge. I'm not sure why I bought this, but I'm going to carry this around for a week, and in a week I'm going to give you guys the skinny. Because, yeah, what? Woodworking is what it claims on the package. Swedge knife right there. Industrial thick stainless steel blade. A snatch. Some weird play in it. You proud of this? Is that Camillus? Nah, it's cool, dude. This thing is pretty freaking crazy. I wonder if it... Yeah, it's ambidextrous holder. Clicks one way. Ah, there. Ah, ha, 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 ha. There it goes. Ambidextrous holder. I am happy now. Like the video. Or else. What is this for?